guys. The box is kinda damaged, but I hope it's okay. Release BBM. Okay. That's nice. Brighton. What else? Manual. Okay. Supposed to sit post. Right guys, so this is it, the new bike, and this is the 2022 Polygon Xtrada 7. Actually maybe next month the new Xtrada 2023 might come, but it's okay because I really like the color. Before I don't like it because of this one, but anyway, it's a good color, I think, in my opinion. So a little bike check. So we have here the Trail Boss. It's a 29er 2.25. The rim is XL2 entity, and I have here a Diore 1x12 12 speed. It's I think 10 teeth to 51 teeth, and there's a lockout. And one thing I noticed is the chain guards. So I think I need to buy something for here. And this is the entity saddle void. And for those who watched my vlog before, and this saddle is really good, man. You don't have to change it. It's really good. You can bike it probably 80 to 100 kilometers without wearing a cycling shorts, with padded cycling shorts. So it's okay. This is very good. I like it. And there's a seat clamp by Polygon as well. So I removed the stickers. I don't like the extra stickers. And this is a Diore crank as well. And this is my old stump pedal. There's still the marks when I crashed. And yeah, I haven't cleaned it yet. It's from the T8, which I already sold since I'm injury for more than 6 months. So if you look at the frame, it's very good as always from Polygon. What I like about Polygon is the paint job is really good, really good. And what we have here, I think this is kind of long for my face, so I think I need to go to a bike shop to cut at least few centimeters here. So void entity as well, entity Diore, and I think this is MT401, not Diore, but brakes, 401 brakes. And this one is the XCR fork. This is an air fork. I don't have experience with this one. Some reviews this is good, some are not. But for my style of riding, even a car will do. Because I want to go to trail this early, probably next year. But for now, I need to have my strength back. So yeah. So there's just a quick overview of my new bike, and I was surprised this is really good in person. In the pictures, not that much, but the reason why I buy it because it's most white and the blue color. So I thought this one is pink, but it's more on, it's like a T8, it's like a violet color in person. So yeah, I think that's it for now, and I think I will wait for my friend to come here before I test this bike. So yeah, there you go guys, and thank you for watching.